Mascara. I think I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara is what I think I'm going to go with. And for that, you definitely need to curl your lashes, because the whole point of telescopic, besides looking like a little telescope, look, do you get it? Like a little telescope. It's not. Anyway, the whole point of it is that it wants to go a long way off, right? Like looking a long way off through a telescope. Or it could be a real telescope that brings things close. It could bring that it means. It could bring that it means that it means that it brings. What is with me today? Oh, all better. There's a lack of coffee, I'm sure. It could mean that it's bringing you up close, because what do these type of mascara wands do? Listen, that is a comb. That is a real strong comb with a tiny little, is that a hair or just, that's product? Wow. So this is one of those that you need to treat like a comb. You have to be sure that it's at the right angle to go through the lash. And it's gonna, this is good for people who have thick lashes and you want to make them look long. Because if you have thin lashes and you make them look long, you can see in between them so much and it's almost like this thin little lash, which some people may love that look. That's fine. You know, everybody has different preferences on what they want their lash to look like. But when you use something like a spoolie brush, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes. This is an actual brush, spoolie brush. You're going to cake up a lot of volume, and you want to do that if you have thin lashes. But if you don't want it to get cakey and thick, and you can always use a comb with little teeth, especially a thin one like this, to comb that product on through. Now, as you comb it on through, you're going to lose a lot of the volume. So it's hard to find a product that does both. And I have to say that my Maybelline, y'all, on all my videos you hear me talk about Maybelline Rocket Express. Am I joking? I don't have one handy. I'm always using that. Hold on. We know I have one somewhere. What's that? L'Oreal. That was the Lash Paradise, which that's also another spoolie brush one. And then you've got ones like this, like Thrive and MAC, which use the, I think they use the comb. Hold on. Let's look and see. Yeah, comb. When I say comb, I mean the teeth are hard. They're not like a brush. And so that pulls the product off the, it kind of cleans up the lash. There's that. That almost seems like a blend of a brush and a comb. Look at that product fixing to fall off. Where is the tissue? That is gross. It's because it's dried out. Oh wow, it came off like a piece of sticky, like elastic. That must be how it works. I do like this, by the way. I like Thrive. This is a very heavy barrel. I don't know why that is. I don't know why that. Please tell me I didn't just get it all over my hands. Okay, put it down. Where is another one? Are you seeing this as like almost a mascara review? Yep, Little Prickles. That is like the MAC one, almost an identical one. And that is the Tarte Man-Eater. I think I have 2 Tarte Man-Eaters, yeah. Here is the, that's not it. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like as far as the shape. And it's the same brand, Maybelline. But this is the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express, and the other one is Rocket Express, and it's purple with hot pink writing. This is gold with purple writing. And this is a spoolie brush. The other one is a prickle brush, or a comb brush, is how I call it. Matter of fact, this would be good to use. Let's go ahead and use this to first lay down the product. And so that will load a bunch on. See, look at the big gump right there. It loads a lot of product. When you get that, just go back in and put it back down in the barrel so you can still use it. Don't throw it away. I'm tipping out the ends, and I'm going to load the lash with a lot of volume, right? Now, this is a waterproof product, so it's going to dry very quickly. That's part of it. Y'all, I totally forgot to curl my lashes. That's going to make a huge difference. Oh well. Is it too late? You bet. I don't know. If I wiped it off of this, it may not be. Let me try. It's going to make a mess. Here goes. Maybe not, maybe not. Just don't let it touch. See how I'm kind of pulling the skin out a little bit? Don't let it touch the back of the crease, because it's the eyelashes are wet. And as soon as I pull this off, I'm going to need to wipe this eyelash curler down really good, because now I have wet product on it. So